how to turn off liquid glass on iPhone. So if at the end of this found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you don't like the liquid glass transparency on your iPhone and now you want to turn it off, this is a simple thing you need to do. Go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Under accessibility, click on display and text size. Now there is a feature called reduce transparency. Toggle this on. Now if you go back to your home screen, you should see the liquid glass effect turned off, and if you go to the control center, then you should see that the reduced transparency has completely reduced or turned off the liquid glass. However, if you want to change how the liquid glass display, instead of turning off the liquid glass completely, go to settings. On your settings, scroll down, click on display and brightness. Now locate liquid glass, then you have two options available, clear and tinted. So you should say turn off and use clear. Once you select clear, this is going to turn off reduce transparency and it's going to set the liquid glass to clear. And if you go with tinted, you then need to go back to your settings, accessibility, display and text size, and then turn on reduce transparency. And that's it. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.